Kamal Hassan's Makkal Nidhi Mayam has approached the Election Commission over the allotment of battery torch symbol to MGR Makkal Kachi for 2021 Tamil Nadu elections. So, Election Commission has been approached by Kamal Hassan as well in the state of Tamil Nadu, but this is with regards to the election symbol for his party. Shilpa is joining us with more information on this. Shilpa will just join us in a bit. I'm told we're not connected yet. Okay, let's just talk about the important message information that has come in. Kamal Hassan's party has moved the Election Commission over the allotment of the battery torch symbol to MGR Makkal Kachi for 2021 Tamil Nadu elections. So Kamal Hassan has identified a symbol for the party and is seeking approval to this symbol. Let me go across to Shabir for more information. Shabir, tell us more about Kamal Hassan approaching the Election Commission with regards to the allotment of the battery torch symbol.
Well, ahead of the 2021 elections, it's a huge setback for Kamal Hassan because the Election Commission has not allotted them the battery torch symbol which the party wanted. In fact, in 2019 elections, Kamal Hassan's party contested under that symbol, the battery torch symbol, which was propagated by his party in the 2019 polls, and they have managed to get 3 to 4% votes based on that symbol. And this time around, for the 2021 elections, they had approached the Election Commission asking them to allot this symbol for the Makkal Nidhi Mayam. For the state of Pondicherry, battery torch symbol has been allotted to Makkal Nidhi Mayam. When it comes to Tamil Nadu, the battery torch symbol has been allotted to some other political party, which is the MGR Makkal Kachi party. And that is something that has not gone down well with the Makkal Nidhi Mayam. And they have once again now approached the Election Commission asking them to reconsider this decision because Makkal Nidhi Mayam says that this is something which is the Makkal Nidhi Mayam chief. In fact, he spoke about this a few days ago, in which he said that this is something which is extremely unfair because they had asked for the battery torch symbol and they had contested in that symbol in 2019. And for the 2021 polls, that symbol is something that the party was looking forward to. But that symbol has gone to a party which is lesser known in Tamil Nadu, and they want the Election Commission to reconsider this decision. So they have approached the Election Commission and they say that they will take all legal measures to ensure that the Election Commission allots battery torch symbol for Makkal Nidhi Mayam because it's a huge setback for Makkal Nidhi Mayam ahead of 2021 elections because battery torch symbol is something that the party was expecting from the Election Commission. Now it has gone to some other political party. So they have challenged this decision of the Election Commission. So they have approached the Election Commission and now the deliberations will go on is what we are hearing.
Okay, we have more breaking news coming in.